The Design for Business programme is about how design has a transformative effect on the world around us, on culture, the economy or the environment. We aim to give students the tools to tackle business challenges, problem solve and use design thinking principle in a business context. Cohorts resemble what the Design for Business programme really is at its core: open-minded, diverse, cross-cultural, international, but at the same time we have this strong sense of pride to be in Dundee, the UNESCO City of Design, with the V&A Dundee right at its doorstep.
Design for Business means to me looking at the value that design can play in making things better. I think it's an approach that's different for businesses and organisations, that focuses more on the people and how they can adapt and look at things differently to have a more solutions-based problem for any issues that arise in the workplace.
We work with a variety of business partners throughout the semester to facilitate real-life experiences, for example with the V&A Dundee Business Outreach Programme, or we encourage students to attend the Accelerator programme run by the Elevator UK, in which they have an opportunity to develop their business idea and formulate a business plan.
Some of the projects that we've covered on the Masters range from briefs from Hallmark, the sort of card greetings company, all the way through to versus arthritis and working with Perth and Connaught Council. So it's quite a wide range. But one of the things I enjoyed most was working with the V&A Dundee. We worked with them doing like design thinking workshops and a living lab brief, which was really current with sort of like the circular economy and working with like technology in that sector. So that was interesting. The placement I'm doing just now is here in the Centre for Entrepreneurship. So I'm doing the Accelerator programme as my placement over the summer. It's actually fitted in really well with what I wanted to do with starting my own business, because it kind of ties in well. I'm able to do my placement for my master's course while also learning a lot about starting your own business, which is really going to kickstart what I'm trying to do for after I graduate.
Once students graduate, they can go out into research, consultancy, product management, or even start their own business. Possibilities are endless.
There's been quite a few areas that the course has helped me develop and strengthen in. I obviously come from a design background, so I understood the way I work. But what it's really done is I've learned a lot about the theory of why we work that way, and also the best way to apply it to people and within organisations. So it's really just given me the confidence. I feel like I'm a real sort of design leader now, and I can't wait to go and test it out in the real world.
Probably the biggest thing I'm enjoying is the variety that's involved in the different deliverables that's expected. Anything from working with prototyping blue foam to a service or a workshop, even to working on marketing briefs for big corporations.
The course was able to help me move from my role, my original role, into my current role by helping me sort of gain confidence within design thinking, being able to find different ways to apply that. Obviously with being in the new role, I was able to find different ways that we can use the methodologies as well, both within the team that I'm in and with the wider organisation.
It's a great time to be a designer in Dundee. Well, it's a great time to be a designer anywhere in Scotland, really. I feel like design's really been recognised as a good way of like problem solving and a way of thinking in other areas, like in business and other sort of sectors, and like a way of boosting the UK's economy, like going forward. But in Dundee especially, with like the facilities at the uni and all the waterfront developments, it's just, yeah, it's a really good place to be at the moment. And I'm actually really looking forward to staying here after I graduate. I'm going to stay here for a few years, and yeah, I just think it's a really good place to be.